So in the same manner, you can add pagination to anything that is being brought back using PHP and not Ajax. So in this case, if I go to the admin here, let's look at messages. How are these coming in? These are coming in using, yeah, this is using PHP. So you can add the pagination here as well. So let's see how we can do that. Same thing here. When there's too many blog posts, we can go here and do a similar thing. So let me show you how to do that real quick so you can do it on your own on the other items if you wish to. So let's go to products and see. Yeah, products probably has the same issue, but these guys are refreshed by Ajax, so we're going to see if they will work just fine. Let me look at the blog posts here. Okay, so let's do one real quick on the blog posts. So I'm just going to close all the files here so that you're not confused what file is what. And I'll go to the admin section here in the controller. So I'm going to the, let's look at blogs. Settings, where are we? Messages, no. Blogs right here. So let's see what we can paste here. Okay, so that's the limit, that's what we have. So let's go to where the queries are. Now in this case, we don't actually have any queries. As you can see here, no queries whatsoever, because we have, how are we getting our blogs here? Where is it? Get one, get user, get them, get all. Okay, so this is the one right here. It's get all. That's where our blogs are read from. So that place is where we need to add where the query is. That's where we need the limit and the page number. So here what I will do is go to get all blogs, which is inside the models blogs. Where is that? Where is that? Post class, order class. Am I missing something here? It's the post class. So click post. And where is that? Get all. That's the one I'm looking for. This one right here. So what I have to do here is go to the query itself and then right at the end and paste offset, limit. So what I will do is paste this. Now, if you don't want to keep pasting the offset and offset like this, you can set them to the very top here as variables there, and then they'll be available to use for all these functions. But it's a minor issue, so I'll just let it be. So what I need to do here is write pagination, and then I'll say limit. I'll give my limit be equal to 10, but for now let's do 4, just so we can see if things are working. And then I need an offset. So the offset is equal to page, like that, and then get offset. Of course, I need to supply the limit here. So limit, otherwise I'll get an error. And that's it. So once I do that, I'm good. And on the admin section though, not the admin section actually. So once I do this, this is going to make it respond to the URL. If there's a page number there, it's going to respond accordingly. However, we don't have the links. So if I do this, I refresh, you see now that we've reduced the number of posts to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't have my pagination down here. So all I need to do is copy from the other. I may not even need to copy. Let me just go to admin here. Admin views. And I want to look at the blogs. Where are you? Where are you? Blogs of PHP. So here I'm looking for the mod is equal to read, that one right there. So it ends here after the table. So right here, I'm just going to call my function, my class, sorry. I'll say page, colon, get links, like that. That's it. close that, and we are good. So refresh. Where are the links, man? So it's saying call to undefined method page links. Right. What did I name it? Turns out I'm very forgetful here. Is get offset. It's show links actually, not get links. Oof. Okay. Show links. There we go. Should work now. Okay, there we go. Looks much better here. The advantage is the styles are different, but the classes are the same, so they get to be visible in the same way, like this. Now, if you don't want this to be on top, you want this to be at the bottom here, you must put it inside one of the table rows. So it must go here, not in the loop, but here. You can give it a table row like this, and then put it there. Let's see how that works. Save and refresh. It's still up there, but not to fear. Just put table data like this, and close that table data like that. And for as long as it feels like it's part of the table, it's going to respond accordingly. So you see here it is. But then I want the column span to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many columns do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So let's just tell it that we want it to move a bit further. So say column span is equal to 6, like so. So it's going to spread throughout the lower part. So then you see there we get the next, like that. And we can go next, and that was it. Now, because we have put it in the if statement, this is why we are getting this. If you still want to see it when there's no result, you put it a step after the if statement, and there we go. That way we can always go back when things go wrong, and there we go. Very nice. Yeah. One thing I've been wanting to do though is let me close this up here a little bit. So you can do this to everything in the admin section. That way you can have some pagination. What I want to check is, see this is too much text. So I want to reduce that for here. So I'm going to say, but anyway, maybe that's not really a good idea because you need to see what is in here. But, where is this? It's actually a security risk if you don't sanitize the data that you release like this. So you should always sanitize the data. You should not trust data even from your own database, because somebody could trick your system into saving some HTML or some JavaScript or PHP, and then once you load it here, it's going to run. So you always have to sanitize or neutralize the data. What am I looking for? This is what I'm looking for right here. So this has to be neutralized with HTML entities. So I have to say here, right here, I'll say HTML special chars there. So open that up and close it up there, like so. Always, especially when it's a large amount of text like this. But then I want it to have break tags, so I'm just going to say new line NL to BR like that, new line to break tag like so, and close that. So come back here and refresh. Okay, that way at least we see the enter. It's more readable text like this. Okay, now if you want to reduce the amount of text here, you can, so that you can have where to click to go and view the full post instead of viewing it here in case you have thousands of posts. But for now, I think we'll leave it as it is. It's quite an amount of text here, so maybe let me do this here. I just say substring like that. Okay, so the substring takes in 3 parameters here, sometimes 2. So the text and where to start and where to end. So let's just say 200 characters for now. And I need to close this like so. So refresh. Okay, there we go. That's a bit better, like that. Okay, so far so good. Pagination is over. What we need now is an advanced search item here for our products, which will work as well here. So yes, I was asked to add by one of my patrons to add an advanced search item here. So that's what we will do next.